can be a puzzle, but it's very rewarding. Like these free Sprunki game bags. Mini games? Fun things come in small packages. Oh, poor Wenda! I didn't even know she was sick. But we're still in a puzzling mood. So, why don't we try to put her back together? Uh-oh, looks like Brud kicked the bucket. Literally. But I'm sure we can draw up a solution. Or we could just do this. Next up, it's gardening time. Take out the seed and plant it. Water it, but not too much now. It's garden. Talk about being in bloom. Now let's look at her better half, Skye. It looks like he's sharing a little bit of himself. And I guess Skye's got a heart for math. Need help? Don't worry, he also brought a calculator. Let's try it out. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 5? Ah, that's not right. Well, what else is in here? I'm gonna call these the Powerpuff pens. It's best to use pencils when doing math. Still trusting that calculator, it seems. Aqua, Simon, it's your turn. Ladies first. Feathers? Well, Aqua's got a soft touch. And she's got another Sprunki book for us. Looks like a dress-up game. Pick a Sprunki. Roll the die. Ooh, Aqua. Seems fitting. First, choose a nice aqua color. Now we need all the right accessories. Grab the eyes. A nice blue cut. And that groovy straw. Let's show off your new look. You're a born model. But she might get a little lonely by herself. Ooh, Simon? Now that's just cosmic. You know the bill. Pick the color and the features. And speaking of Simon, let's check out his heart. Open him up. Let's see what's inside. You know, something tells me it's something for Aqua's game. Look, he's got outfits for both of them. Let's see what Simon got. Ooh, a suit. After all, a model needs to look dapper. Now let's see what he's got for Aqua. Ooh, a white dress? A veil? Flowers? Let's bring these two closer together. Ah, you may now kiss the Sprunki. Aw, and now they've got a family. Ugh, I think we should change that diaper. Looks like you could use a bottle too. Next up, it's Bineria and Ratty. Let's see what Bineria's got for us first. Oh, looks like Easter eggs. Let's try Derples first. Look, there's slime and tiny Sprunkies inside. we can make Durple and Skye pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun. I wonder what Ratty's got for us. Red's the color of love after all. Ooh, pick a number. Any number. Your prize? It's a Ratty keychain. And it looks like he's in good company. Ratty and Bineria go together. It's just magnetic. Okay, let's see who else is here. Simon. And he's ready to rock and roll. Let's party. Aqua's got some custom bandages for us. Ooh, it's good to keep these guys on hand. Seriously, and they're great for foreheads too. The two that started it all, Pinky and Orin. Why don't we start with Pinky? The shiny streamers are a nice touch. Ooh, were you expecting us, Pinky? Well, it looks like she's expecting something. Oh, it's a Simon. Hold on, it looks like triplets. Did I say triplets? Make that sextuplets. Ooh, these are a bouncing bunch of babies. But I'm sure we can help them rest up. Hey, what's that? The sands of time? Oh, they grow up so fast, don't they? If only we could keep time in a bottle! But seriously, at this rate, they'll be older than Pinky. Speaking of which, where is she? I mean, she hasn't seen her kids in years. These sextuplets are septuagenarians. Now, why don't we check out Orin? Wow, look at all these pom-pom balls. Whatever's inside is all to pieces. I guess there's some assembly required. First, take this little bag and draw on this piece of paper. Make a mosaic and add to the bag. Next, add some black paint and seal it up. Save a little space to show your true colors. Next up, add that Orin-style border. This project is really coming together. Don't forget Orin's headphones. Add the strap. And we'll have a new watch. Oh, good. It fits right on your arm. And you can make art right on your wrist. And that's not all. Open it up for a secret sketchbook. You can draw whatever your heart desires. Now, why don't we meet up with Maruna and Wyram? Ooh, it's like a bunch of maroon eggs. Ah, Maruna always shares a bit of herself. And look, she's a mini flip phone. Oh, great reception. But your friends are all here. Oh, they really like to go together, don't they? Next up, we should check out Y Room. It's a secret message. Ooh, a maze. Wow, candy! Talk about a secret stash. Let's hide these treats throughout the maze. Oh, guess Maruna is the guest of honor. Feel the burn, but don't forget to treat yourself. Oh, she saved the treats for everyone. Besides, we know what prize she really wants. The early bird gets the worm. And I guess the early worm gets the snacks. Hey, why don't you save some for the rest of us? Looks like two Sprunkies are about to become homeowners. Just as long as they pay the piper, realtor. Personally, I would have kept the Labubu. Well, either way, hope you like your new digs. Aren't you gonna carry Pinky over the threshold? Wait, new furniture doesn't come with the house? Guess it's too late to move into a department store. Aw, don't cry, Pinky, but I would watch where you step. Maybe we should make something to help. You'll be stepping tall with the help of these heels. And there's a little distance between all this mess. Plus, now you're always ready to go disco dancing. They also come in handy with stepping on pests. 'Cause it looks like this place is crawling with them. Orin's on the job. Just take a band and slice it in half. We can use it to whip up a handy grabber. Come on, Orin. Time to get that bugaboo. Okay, Mr. Spider, it's time to go. Here, we packed your bag. He seemed nice. Oh, Orin, you're a mess. And all that dust can't be good for your allergies. Let's make something that can help. Ooh, talk about skeletons in the closet. And it's a water closet by the looks of it. It's a shower, so make a spot to keep the soap. And a nice mirror really lights up the room. Next, let's buff those ears. Just kidding, it's a shower head. And you gotta have some temperature control. Come on, Orin, why don't you try it out?
Okay.
And the curtain gives some much-needed privacy. A shower and laundry all in one. Huh, now that's efficient. Almost done. Ooh, guess that soup was dry clean only. Uh-oh, you could really use some chairs around here. Pinky, get him out of this crazy thing! Orin simply wasn't meant to be a turtle. Besides, I think we can put this box to better use. Just fill it up with some crumpled up newspaper. Once it's full, repeat with a few more boxes. Soon enough, a couch will pretty much build itself. It could use a cover. A blanket will suffice. And you can't forget some fuzzy pillows. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch TV. Of course, it would help if you had a TV. Though, personally, I prefer online videos. But to each their own. Ooh, antennae! Orin really puts himself in his work. But Pinky wants to know if it gets streaming. After all, she needs to catch up on her stories. Ooh, I've seen this. It's a really good part. This scene is a really romantic one. Aw, isn't it great when art imitates life?